Hey everybody, my name's Ty Eden and welcome to my channel. This is Dupage County Homes by Ty Eden. Just a quick insight as to what you're going to see and find on this channel is I'll have a little bit of information about real estate for buyers, sellers, and hopefully for some investors as well. I come from being an investor background. I'm going to also share with you some of the cool restaurants there are to go to out here in Dupage County. The spring and summer festivals that are available out here in the different villages throughout Dupage County. Farmers markets, there's just a lot of stuff you can go and do out here. Just hit subscribe. I think it's over here in that lower corner. And yeah, hit the bell. You'll be notified when I come out with my videos every week. Please come back and watch my videos. Thanks. Wow, that went on cool.